It's just here. C'est crazy. Putain.
This is my last day in Chihuahua, and also my last day with Franco and Camilla. I told you that this Italian guy never stops, right? And after having a look at Rafiki's gear and equipment, Franco had a little idea. So far, remember that when I plug my extension cable, this one is squeezed in the passenger seat door. But with Franco's idea, no need to worry about the door being slightly opened anymore. Now, I'll be able to plug the fridge and small devices to the new plug, with the door properly closed. And while we are all busy working on Rafiki, someone decided to come and say hi. Someone I would have never, ever expected during the day. A teenage hippopotamus is busy grazing in the camp. Normally, hippos spend almost all of daylight hours to wallow in shallow water, so it keeps them cool. And only in the evening, after the hot sun has set, hippos come out of the water for a night of grazing. And when I say a night, I mean for around 6 hours. I am so surprised to see this guy up during the day and being so relaxed and quiet around us. Actually, hippos are one of the most territorial animals and probably the deadliest one for humans after the mosquito here in Africa. But on land, it's a very different story. They are not territorial, and I felt very safe, standing, sitting, laying down a few meters away from him only. And after 2 hours, Hippo decided to leave us and probably to jump back into the Zambezi River. This moment has been one of the most incredible and fascinating during the solo expedition in Africa. Let's get back to Rafiki.
derrière le papa. Franco, bravissimo!
And now, I've got this safer and very practical system thanks to the amazing and hyperactive Franco. And of course, I had my little evening training for the last time. I'm leaving the Lago Zambezi this morning. It's very quiet, and it's time to do something I hate, to say goodbye to people I love already. Rafiki is more than ready with this new plug on its back, so let's hit the road again. The plan is to drive to the capital, Lusaka. I won't stay long there, but I have to drive through the big city to get to where I really want to go. And apparently there is a place in Lusaka where I can wash my beddings as well. And I can tell you one thing, the smell coming from it and from me is just unbelievable. I didn't know humans could create such smells. And I promise you that you're very lucky not to travel with me. Okay, just a few hours away, and I can reach the capital of Zambia. I'm actually very curious about it.